What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2022 BMW 7 Series unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So like I said, I'm demonstrating on a 2022 BMW 7 Series in this video, but it would be the same on a few different years and models. So the vehicle's locked, and I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now let's take a closer look at the driver's door handle. So we're looking at the driver's door handle, and if you pull it open, behind it you can actually see there's that key cylinder right there for our emergency key. But in order to access it, we need to remove this cap right here. So what I'm going to do is reach my finger behind here, and you'll feel a little metal piece that I'll show you in just a second. But what I'm going to do is kind of push that metal piece down and then slide that cap towards the rear of the vehicle. So here's the back side of that. Here's that little metal piece. So I had my finger on there, and I was just pressing down. And as I press down, you just slide it to the back just a little bit, and that cap will come off. Now I'm going to grab the emergency key that we got out in the previous shot, and I'm going to put it in that key cylinder and turn it to the left or counterclockwise to open it. And now's a good time to go ahead and throw your emergency key back into your fob, just so we don't lose it. The driver's door is now unlocked. And as soon as we open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to turn the alarm off is we're going to get in, press the stop-start button, and then we're going to hold the key fob on the right-hand side of the steering column where there's a little bit of a key marking. And while holding the key fob on the steering column, we'll start the vehicle as normal. So press the brake in and then the stop-start button. So I'm going to get in, press the stop start button, then taking a look on the right hand side, we see this marking right here. I'm going to hold the key on that marking, press the brake in, and then the stop start button. And now you're ready to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. So the last thing we're going to look at quickly is how to put this cap back on. So you can see on the back of this cap, there's 3 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and you can see they kind of angle forward. So what we're going to do is just kind of get it in place, but it'll be a little further back. And then as we're gently pressing down, we'll also slide forward. And it'll just snap back into place like that. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.